I believe we kind of completed our stairs. The only thing that's missing is maybe to provide some supporting walls. Okay, so this whole thing, there's nothing that holds this whole thing up except this one wall and these stairs. That's a little weird, right? That's not going to work very well. So what I'm going to do is provide a new layer, and I'm going to call it supporting wall, or just support wall. Okay, let's give it a color, violet. Okay. So I'm going to make a solid box to make the walls. Pick a point and type at 9 inches, comma, 10 feet. Enter. Then give it a height. At height, say 15 feet 3 inches. I just started drawing it on top of the base because I want it to be flat with the first level. So now I'm going to actually move that wall inwards towards my project. And there it is. Let's go ahead and turn off the sight so I can see a little bit better. Okay. I'm actually now going to turn off the version 3 model. So let's rotate this wall 90 degrees because I'm going to put it against this stair. Okay. Let's focus on these two objects. There we go. Now I'm going to move that wall from that corner to where the stair starts, right there. Let's make that to the layer that we wanted it actually, which is a supporting wall. Let's turn on our model to see what we have. Okay. So what I think I'd like to do is to extend that wall a little bit further this way. Okay, and there's a few ways you can do that. You can actually do a sub-object selection. Extrusion edge. And if I pull that over there, now I have a support system that's also dynamic, right? Just like the project is. It's a column, and it keeps the stair at the same time. It holds the stair, and it's a wall. I think it works all right. What I'm going to do is copy this wall over to the next place. So let's go ahead and copy this wall column thing. Let's come close here. Okay. Now I have two of them, and there seems to be a relationship between them, which I kind of like. I think it works. Okay. You may need another supporting wall for this area up here, but I'm kind of reluctant to do it. So I'm going to keep it with that one, and I'll tell you why. Because if this is acting as a span, as a bridge, well, guess what? It's supported on both sides anyway, so I could place some beams underneath here conceptually, so it would work structurally. So I'm going to keep these guys the way they are. Okay. But I did not have that condition here, so that's why I added those walls. Okay. If you want to stay consistent and you think like, I don't like the pair, I need to do another, go by thirds, then you can, by all means, you can copy one of these up from here from that endpoint up to there, right? And then you can basically rotate it 180 degrees around. Right, and you can move that guy and look at it, see if you're okay with it. If you don't like it, you can make the structural argument that you have a spanning condition, right? And yeah, I mean, I might actually do this. I think I'm okay with it. Just don't forget to come back and trim that away from that, because see how it dies into this condition? First of all, you need to lift that wall up, right? Right, and you need to lift that up 9 inches. There we go. So now the wall actually aligns with that. I'm going to do something different though. I'm going to take that up another maybe 42 inches so it acts as a guardrail as I'm coming down here. 42 inches. Okay. And then I'm going to move this guy all the way in until it dies into that, so I can Boolean difference, and then I can expand that wall, pull that wall back later. So what I'm going to do is a Boolean split. So let's go ahead and do that. Boolean split. Select surface, polysurface is split. I want to split this guy. And this is going to be the cutting surface. Now I can delete that guy and I'm good to go, right? So let's go ahead and pull that surface back out. To there. Okay. You can get rid of your grid snap actually to pull it out a little bit more. Snap to object, yes. Okay, so that's good enough. So let's go back and look at it. I think it works quite all right. Let's get it in front view. Yep. I think I'm happy with it. I think I'm going to keep it like that. So this is one technique to generate your supporting systems for the project. All right.